Alright, so after testing 5 AI video tools, one thing is clear. Results are better than hype. InVideo consistently delivers the speed, the quality, and the value that others cannot match. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of InVideo. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Stay tuned guys, I will demonstrate how we could actually make a video and show the prompt that I will be using. So, InVideo positions itself as a clear evolution beyond the fragmented creating platforms by addressing the inefficiencies that creators are facing when working across multiple tools. All right. So, comparing it to the competitors such as FreePic and Artlist, which entirely relies on the limited AI models in the slower previous cycles, okay, InVideo is actually delivering a smoother, the faster workflow that is designed for real production speed. Now, while the platforms like OpenArt require users to open multiple projects just to test different models, InVideo is actually enabling instant model switching within the same workspace, and that is actually boosting the efficiency of this AI video tool. Now, other tools such as the Higgs field may offer innovation, but fall short with fewer templates and collaboration features that make team-based creation cumbersome. So this one, guys, addresses that, and it gives you that additional flexibility and efficiency that will improve your workflow. So at the core of InVideo's advantage is its centralized website's experience. Now guys, the platform functions as a single unified workspace where all the assets, the drafts, the version, and the output are actually living together in one workspace. So instead of scattering the files across multiple tabs, logins, or separate projects, as many of the other competitors do, InVideo is actually keeping everything organized in one space, okay? So free image generation further empowers the users to test the ideas endlessly without worrying about usage limits or that restraining workflows. Now, collaboration is also built directly into the InVideo project, which also allows the teams to work together seamlessly without exporting the files or switching tools. So you have the feedback, the iteration, and refinement happening in real time, and it makes the platform especially effective for the fast-moving content environment. So basically, this is like a one-stop shop, very efficient AI video tool that you guys could explore. So for the users, the benefit is clear, guys. InVideo is combining the power, the innovation, the user experience, and the value into a single platform. And it is saving time, reducing the cost, and eliminates the chaos of fragmented creative process, which also gives you the result that InVideo is an ideal solution for creators, marketers, and teams who actually need to produce professional quality content efficiently, consistently, and at a scale. So let's go ahead and check this one out, guys. All right. All right, guys. So let me show you how powerful this agents and models is. So you have the generative models right here that you could actually choose from. Okay, I'll choose this. Click 2.6. And again, guys, go ahead and check them out. Of course, the link to this will be in the description of the video. And of course, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount. Peace.